Hello guys, in this session we are going to discuss about the practically how to create a logic building, right? Like in previous video we already made the algorithms, right? Notepad. So what is the algorithm? Algorithm, the graphical representation of algorithm. We create a step by step. Now we are going to flowchart. So flowchart is a graphical representation of an algorithm. Like I have seen a previous video may make the algorithm like addition of two numbers, subtraction, multiplication, and division, right? So same as it is here, we are going to see the practical in flowchart Raptor. So flowchart is a graphical representation of an algorithm. So first of all, you have to take an input box, simple. Like you want to delete, you can delete as well. Say click and simple put on the flow lines. Again, right click, edit, and you have to with the shift you have to give double quotation right here. Enter the first number. Okay. Here I took a variable n1. What is a variable? Variable basically is one kind of container which store the value in computer memory. Right? Click outside. Again take a second number. Again right click. Edit same process for the next. Okay. Again double quotation. Enter the second number. Enter the second number. Okay. And here you have to place like n1 be done, n2 for second one. Then click outside. Here you can also write the comment, see just like we have done in the algorithm on the notepad. So right click, comment like I mentioned. This is my first number. This is my first number. Okay, first input. Input. Click done. You can say again same like this. Right click, comment. This is my second. Click done. Click outside. For process, we have to use assignment box here. Again drop it here. Right click, edit. So we take a third variable, like I take it sum total, whatever you want to, who to n1 plus n2, and click done, click outside. Again right click, comment. So this is process of two numbers. Click done, click outside. Okay. Finally, we take output box. Right click, edit. So here, suppose I given sum, the third variable. Let's done, click outside, and we have right here comment. This is my output. Click done, click outside. Now let's run this. Get a first number. Suppose I give it 2. Get a second number 3. Okay. So now you can see 3 plus 2 5. But I want here should come with the message like total is equals to 5 or whatever you want. So this is where you can use. Or result is equals to. So that's makes more sense. So again right click edit it. Here suppose I want to do the string concatenation. Like double quotation. Here I just mentioned double quotation like output is equals to or result is equals to whatever you want. Result is equals to plus sum. Plus is not does mean plus only at the number, plus also at the string values. This is called a string concatenation. Click done, click outside. Okay, now let's run this. Now see like enter 2 4, so 2 plus 4 equals to 6. So you can see result equals to 6. This make a more sense as per compared to the previous output. Okay, so this is where you can use it. Fine. Now you can create your self introduction. Suppose you want to create a next program. Again, you go to the file, new, and take an input box, same like this. Right click, edit. Here you have to write intro, your name. I take it variable here name, like name, program, city, contact, gender, whatever you want. Again, you take output box here. Here I given like double quotation, like my name is equals to, okay, my name is equals to plus name click done, click outside. Okay, click done, click outside, and again you have to run this. Like name I given here, Amit. So you can see the output, my name is equals to Amit. So same way you can continue for the rest of, again input, drop here, right click, edit, like enter your program, and here I given variable program. Okay, click done, click outside. Again we take output box, edit, here again double quotation, visit my program as equals to plus program. Okay, click done, click outside. Let's run this. Here name I given like Shubham, enter program data science DS. Okay, so you can see my name is Shubham, my program is data science. So this is where you can complete on the flowchart. So next program we go further. See, once you want to see the current output, so you can clear it. So we are able to see the current output. Okay, so you will not get confused about this. So again, I want to file new. Okay, let's save this like intro. Again, I want to take like a conditional construct. What is a conditional construct? If else. Like once your condition true, go to the if block. Once condition false, it will go to the else block. So how we'll go for this? Right click edit, and here I want to take a person is very simple. Like enter your age. Like if a person is greater than 18, so he or she can vote, else they cannot. So I take a is, click done, click outside. Here's a condition box we are going to use. Put the condition box, right click edit. So here I given is greater than equals to 18, means exact 18 should be. So we have take output box, put it on the yes condition, edit, same double quotation for the output. You can vote to the government, click done, click outside. No condition, you cannot vote. Same like that, you can check for the marks. If your marks greater than this, your percentage greater than this, right? Okay, next. So again here, you can't vote. You can't vote. Click done, click outside. Okay. Now let's run the program. So based on the conditional construct, you can make a lot of example like if you score greater than this, you are eligible, you are not eligible. Suppose I given 12. Let's see the condition. See, you can't vote because you are below 18. Again run this. Suppose I given here 19, 20, whatever you want. So now you can see you can vote. No. Now see my condition satisfied 100%. Okay. So this is where you can make a various kinds of programs. Suppose I want to be another example. Like let's check the even and odd number. This was for like a is. Okay. So again, you take an input box and drop it here. Like as a user, we can enter any number, right? So I given the variable num. Then so what is even and odd number, guys? Which number is divisible by 2, that is called even, otherwise odd number. So again we take a condition box, drop it here. Again right click, edit for the condition. So num is a modulus mean reminder. So number divided by who? 2 equals to 0. Equal which operator is a comparison operator. Okay. Which compare the value. Like suppose if username equals to Manoj and password equals to this. So in that case you will log in. Otherwise you cannot. Click done, click outside. So again yes condition. You just put it. Number is even. Okay. Click done, click outside. Again output box. Number is odd. Okay, click done, click outside. Let's run this. Like 2, enter. Number is even. Again, let's run this. Like I given 3, so obviously 3 is a odd number. So C number is odd. So this is where you can say my condition satisfied 100%. Same way you can make for the leap year, which year divisible by 4, that is for leap year, else not leap year. So let's see the another example for this also. Again, go to the file, new control, and you can also press short key for the new file. Okay, even and odd. Okay. Again, I will take an input box, drop here, or the flow line, edit. So here I will mention enter the leap year. Okay. I given variable like a year. Click done. Click outside. Again, same we take a condition box just like an even odd. Okay. So I will check like a year modulus 2. Not 4 should be here. 4 equals to 0. Right. Click done. Click outside. Again, output box we take it here. Right click edit. Double quotation. This is for leap year. Okay. Click done. Click outside. Again, output box for the no. I will mention here. This is not for leap year. Okay. Click done. Click outside. Now let's run and check the values. So suppose I given 2024. So obviously 2024 was leap year. Let's see the answer. If condition satisfy C, my condition satisfy 100%. This is a leap year. Again we run this. I given here like a 2021. So as you can see, this is not a leap year. Okay. So this is where you can say condition satisfied. So this is where you can make a number of example, guys. Okay. So even you can make a nested if else. So have you seen here what is the difference? Is like here before go for any programming languages in flowchart you are able to see the live execution of your program, guys, step by step. So it's a make a more sense. First you have to understand the logic building, right? After logic building, I will recommend any student you have to go for any programming languages. That will be more easy for all of you. Okay, guys. So thank you so much. We'll see you next session.